Is this really Posho? Well, let's find out. A couple of months ago, I made this video, how to mingle Posho, and our Posho was really white, and people were asking me a lot of questions. Why is your Posho white? Posho is not supposed to be white, you know? So as we're going to prepare this other kind of Posho, as the water is boiling, let me tell you something. As a Ugandan growing up in schools, we have always eaten Posho, and our food has always been Posho, even at home, most times Posho, but the Posho has always been white. So that when someone asked me, why is your Posho white? It gave me a question of like, okay, how is Posho supposed to be? Is it supposed to be a different color? So I find out a little and I dug out. I talked to some of my Kenyan friends, and one time we hosted a conference here in Uganda and they couldn't eat our Posho because it was too white. So I'm wondering, Kenyans, how is your Posho supposed to be? Anyway, for this particular one, a friend gave me this. This is what we call yellow Posho here in Uganda, and most times we eat it as porridge, not Posho. So I'm going to attempt mingling it for the very first time. But it smells really like the yellow Posho. I don't know what type of corn is used to make it. Maybe it could be like the yellow corn, the popcorn corn. But for as long as the maize flour, the maize is actually white, the Posho will always be white. That is for us. So this particular one is yellow. So when a friend left me with this, I was like, okay, let me try it out as Posho. But normally we take it as porridge, not Posho. So I'm trying to mingle this. I don't know whether it's right. It can be eaten as Posho or not. So this is totally my first time really mingling this thing, and I am mingling it the same way we mingle the usual Posho. Now, one thing about this particular one is that it smells really nice. Like it has that smell, you know. It is giving like baby food smell. Like it smells nice. It has some smell in it, and I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I am mingling this and I'm going to try it for the very first time as Posho, like as ugali. So for anyone who has any other type of Posho, guys, I really need to be educated about this because my entire life have been eating white Posho. So this is the beauty of diversity. There are like different things, different cultures, and different ways of making food, different types of food, and etc. So I really appreciate if anyone has knowledge about this kind of Posho. So this is me mingling it and I am done. I think it's ready. You guys, you can see it's really ready. I don't know how it will taste, but it feels a little hard. I don't know why. I don't know whether I put a lot, but anyway, we shall figure that out. And I would like to know in the comments, what type of Posho do you guys have? Kawunga? Because my entire life I know Kawunga, Posho, or the neighbors call it ugali. It's been always white, you know. So I'm also curious, like, what is this yellow type of Posho made up of? Is it made up of this corn that is from popcorn? And from here, normally it's like porridge. Anyway, guys, I need you to educate me on this one. Please write your comments because I'm really curious. And now this is my first time. It really turned out great, you know. And tada, this is our Posho, yellow Posho. So moment of truth is I have to test this thing because I'm curious. You know, it smells so good, like everything is good. So I'm going to eat it with some grilled fish and some cowpeas, guys. So there is me for the moment of truth. You know, you have to use hands. So I washed my hands and I am going to test this Posho because I want to see how it feels. I mean, it tastes good. It tastes good. The only difference is that it has like a sweet smell that our white Posho does not have. I don't know whether because this particular one was refined and packaged. I don't know. I'm going to tag a Kenyan creator here. I know she's been good with cooking. She's called Gaki's Kitchen. I've been following her from the start, you know. So Gaki, please help me know what type of posho or ugali do you people eat over there in Kenya. And I'm so curious to know about this one because this one was really nice. It was delicious. It was nice. The only difference I see is the color, which is yellow, and that slight nice sweet smell. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye.